Hi there, please like and subscribe. Calendar. Yeah. Top. You can add events. Yeah. You can add stickers. Medical. Yes. Suggest. We can change color. All day. We can add location. Manage calendar. And means before. Add time of event. 1 hour or before. 1 day before. We can custom to receive email alerts from Google Calendar. Add a custom alerts. 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days. Mail customer. We can turn off. Don't repeat. Yeah. Every 1 day, every forever specific number of times. 10 times until every 1 week, every 1 month. Yeah. Don't repeat. The event doesn't repeat. The event will repeat every day. Yeah. We can attachment, enter a name, invite a name or email. We can change. Yeah. Time. Tap. Save. Tap. By tapping, we can delete, edit, share, duplicate, copy text. Switch to agent. By tapping, we can move and move it to Saturday, September. Tap today. By tapping, we can add a reminder. Get reminded and set a reminder to show at specific times or places, like first thing in the morning or when you get home. Add a reminder when you work. Create reminders the Remember app by asking Bixby or by hearing things from other apps. Share reminders with anyone. Keep the team on task by sharing reminders with friends, family, and anyone else. Tap continue. Yeah, we can list. Yeah. Look a list. We can take photo, select image, time. Today, 3 p.m. a.m. 5. 1 from hour 7 a.m. Repeat, medium, strong full screen alert and long sound. Place, we can add place. We tap save. By tapping, we can delete. Trash. Events in the trash will be permanently deleted after 30 days. Edit. We can delete permanently. Okay, empty. Year, month, week, day, schedule. My phone, Samsung account, sync now. Syncing calendars. We can just add sticker, for example, 25. Tap. remove. Settings. We can change calendar style, font size. Pay attention. Very bright. Highlight short events. Let event title wrap. Dark mode on. First day of the week, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday. Complete. Mind complete. Okay, settings, alternate calendar, according lunar, Chinese. That name is lunar. Hijri. See. Show week numbers. The week with the first Thursday of the year, the week with the first day of the year. Show weather forecast. We can setting the weather, Rangate, local weather area, notification. Last 7 days. Okay. Show completely remind. We can hide the line events. Show alert type light. Notification when is a short sound time. We can change alert sound. Notification sound volume. Medium. Full screen alert with short sound. While using your phone, you'll get a pop-up instead. You can use short sound. Strong. Full screen alert with long sound. While using your phone, you'll get a pop-up instead. Alert background. Choose an image or color background. Default alert times. Events. 1 hour, 10 minutes. 1 day before 1 hour. What's the time? We can check off. All the events day before. Off events night at 9 a.m. Day before event at 5 p.m. 2 days before event at 9 a.m. Custom. 1 day, 1 week. Contact important dates. Choose when you want to get an alert about birthdays, anniversaries, and other important dates on your Samsung account calendar, and the calendar saved on your phone. Day of event 9 a.m. Day before event at 5 p.m. 2 days before event at 9 a.m. Custom. Dismiss alert all devices. If you dismiss an alert on one device, it will also be dismissed on all other devices that have the setting turned on. Manage calendars. You can turn off and withdrawal. Manage calendar. Tap the three dots. We can add account, exchange, Google, move events. You can move events from the calendar to another to make sure they're saved in the right place. Tap next. Move the event will be deleted from the original calendar. This means that following items will be events followed video conference meeting details, including invite and then tap next. Move it or my calendar events to Samsung calendar. Default calendar. Let's choose a default calendar to add new events. You can always choose a different one or when creating a custom, let's modify it. Okay, unlock time zone. Unlock the time and the date of event to your selected time zone. You can change country or region. Trash. Trash. Keep deleted events for 30 days. You can trash all the events in the chat will be deleted. Remove time from titles. Automatically remove times and dates used for quick scheduling from event titles and the reminder text. Add reminder button. Include an option to add reminder when you tap the add button plus at the bottom of the calendar screen. Turn on plus. So place name, agree, permission, okay, customers about contact us. By tapping we can add to home screen widgets, calendars, countdown, my birthday, add. By tapping widgets and please like and subscribe, I beg you.